Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to attempt to do another tree. Now I've painted the canvas blue because I don't want the white to come out. I'm going to try and sort of do a red sky and an ocean. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. If I stop talking and do a talk over in this, it's because I've got people at home and I'll have to blank that out and talk over. So I apologise in advance if that happens. So the first colour I'm using is called turquoise. I think I might do some all the way down there. Like that. And I have got some tranquility. And this is called Dark Sea. I don't know how this is going to work out. Oh, that's thick. So these paints are all mixed with glue and water. And in the sky I'm going to have some of this cool red. I might have to do a bit more of that green down the bottom there. Oops. And some warm red. I'm going to need a bit more of this down here. Just a little bit more. And I'm going to put a bit of this yellow in the sky as well. And I might just put just a little down here. That's why it wasn't coming out. Just a few blobs there. I have some metallic lavender, and I'm going to put a little bit in the sky, and maybe just a few drops in there. I need some paint to go across there, so what have I got here? I've got a bit of magenta. Although I might swipe with magenta. A little bit of pink. Need some more colours down there. Okay, so I'm going to, I might swipe the top part. No, I might swipe the top part with magenta. And the bottom put a bit of white in here. I hope this is not too, this is looking a right mess, isn't it? I'll do the top part first. My board. I'm spilling paint everywhere. Let's just see what this looks like. I do have this on my turntable again so that I can turn it around, although I did that before, and so this is where my hubby came in and started chatting. He'd just been coming from the shops, so I'm just going to swipe over this bottom part with black, and that's my dog barking as he always does. At this point I'm just doing the roots of the tree, trying to decide how big I want them, how small, and I'm just using a large wooden pop stick. Figuring out how to do the top part. using a thin piece of plastic that used to be an X-ray. I'm trying to stop that swirling around because although putting it on a spinner is a good idea to turn it around, it also moves when you're trying to do things, which is rather annoying. I'm just speeding this bit up because it took me ages to figure out what to do. I just put a little bit of black on that piece of black X-ray there so I could dip my little scraper thing in to make those a bit more prominent, those branches a bit more prominent. It's a bit choppy because I had to cut a lot out because it took me ages to figure out what to do. I made mistakes, I cleaned them up. I didn't want to bore you with all the long boring bits. So I'm putting the pop stick up and down like this, stripes, to give it a bit of a texture to the tree trunk. I like the texture you get when you stripe up and down with the pop stick on the tree trunk. Gives it a nice, it looks like proper bark. Gives it some nice texture. And there you can see it's looking like a tree in the ocean. There's lots of waves, rough waves. At least that's what I can see. What can you guys see? Let me know in the comments below. And how it's shadowed on one side in blue, the other side is nice and red. And this is the wet result. So it's got a few cells in there, not many. The colours are really bright and sparkly. Some cells there. I like how the texture in the tree trunk there. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be back later with the dried result. Hi everyone and welcome back. So this is my dried painting. So let's go in for a closer look. So it dried really well. I'm really pleased with how it dried. It didn't have a lot of cells or anything in it, but I really like how the bark looks. And I'm really pleased actually with how it dried. Oh, sorry, that's my ring light getting in the way. I have no idea how to use this so the ring light doesn't get in the way. But there you go. I'm very happy with the results of this. If I did it again, I'd probably paint over some of the branches to make them more prominent because they kind of disappear into the background. But like I said, a learning curve. Get better every time I do it. So thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, take care of yourself and bye for now.